to another Boxycharm unboxing. Today we are doing the December Premium box, which looks like it's got some nice valued things in it, so we're gonna just dive right in. So first thing in here, in no particular order, just because it's big and I want to see it, this is, what is it? The Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit. This retails for $48. Shine all year round with the Glow and Go Kit. Designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette filled with Kenya's favorite shades, this all-in-one kit is all you'll need for that everyday glow or touch-ups on the go. So let's take a look. Ooh, I love the patterning. It looks all like snakeskin. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it opens like a little book. Oh, I like that. Trying to... Oh, okay. So I'm trying to figure out what this like half and half shade is. If that's like a brow thing, or if that's shadow, or if it could be either. But like, look at these. These are so pretty. I'm blocking the mirror, obvi, but like these are hella pretty. It's like they're not too much, but at the same time they can elevate a look. The color names are Driven, Empower, Captivate, Limitless, Fearless, Goals, Joy, Independent, Angelic, and Divine. I like that. Let's see here. Okay, so it's saying that Driven, Empower, Captivate, the top three are eyeshadows. Okay, I was right. The half and half one is brow powders. Face powders, I guess, are everything else. Oh, Limitless and Fearless are also eyeshadows. So these top five are all eyeshadows. Then brow powders. And then everything else is a face powder. So be it you want to wear it as blush, you want to use it as a highlight, you want to use it as bronzer, doesn't matter. They go on your face, they're powder, what do you want? So, okay. Cool. I can keep track of that. Very nice. Very nice. Cannot wait to play with that. So we're going to set that over here for now. Next, we have a little duo pack. What are these? We have got, from EVO Beauty, the Lipspo Liner Duo for $24. Creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill the lips. This two-piece kit features a velvety formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout in a matte finish, named after people who inspired us. So what are the names? Brooke and Val. Oh, those are cute. So we've got like a mauve one and a red one. So, ooh, those will be fun to wear. Can't wait to try those. Next, what's this guy? Ooh, from Styla or Stila, however you say it. This is $23, by the way. The Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Dare to be huge! Stila's volumizing, long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Go as bold as you want. Even with multiple coats, this flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. I believe that when I see it, because I've seen many brands claim it, and very few follow through on that. But we'll see. Maybe they'll be one of the exceptions. Okay, from Elemis, and this is $39, the Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. That's such a cute name. This cooling eye gel with matcha, kiwi, honeydew melon... What? And it smells great! And a prebiotic immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day, helping to revive and refresh to give a healthy glow with or without makeup. This lightweight gel absorbs easily into skin to offer the perfect on-the-go solution for an eye area that feels wide awake. Oh my gosh, I know that, like, eye creams aren't generally something that people get, like, excited about, but that one excites me. That sounds like it's gonna be really fun. Okay, so from Elena Badro, I don't know if I'm saying that right, the Luxury Beauty Sponge 2-pack. This is $34 for this 2-pack, which almost makes me scared to use them, which defeats the entire purpose. That's why I never understand why certain beauty blenders are so damn expensive, because when they're that expensive, I'm afraid to use them, and therefore they just sit and collect dust. Well, the boxes do. I don't even take them out of the boxes. These luxurious sponge applicators were designed for applying and blending all types of foundations, concealers, and the powders to offer a flawless finish. This pack includes 2 latex-free luxury sponges with different colors and shapes for precision in application. Well, they sound really bouncy in there, but I bet they're basically literally just normal-ass beauty sponges. It's pretty hard to fuck that up, so I mean, I'll just set those over here for now, for eternity. And then finally the Epione, I think, Skincare Beverly Hills Epione Flawless Serum. This is $195 fucking dollars for a serum. Let that sink in. Yeah, almost $200 bloody for this thing. A powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier. Helps retain water in the corneous layer of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. I have to admit, I have never heard mention of the corneous layer, but I guess that's a thing in our skin. Oh, it's square. What in the frick? And it's plastic. For almost $200 in your plastic. For use at night. Apply during evening to affected areas or as directed by physician. I'm almost scared of it. And I guess it's just like a little pump, but like, bro. I guess this isn't even like an all over the face one. It's just for parts of the face. Which I guess makes sense when you're $200 freaking expensive. But okay, well, I don't know if that's retinol or what makes it so damn expensive, but something makes it crazy ass expensive. Anyway, that is it for this super bougie box. So, anyhow, that is it. So, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.